Hi everyone, welcome to Atiman channel. I'm Yom. I'm excited to have you with me today about vscode Live Pro. This is the second video on my channel. If you haven't watched the first one yet, I will get to take a little bit like 5 minutes to get the idea of what I want to achieve on the first video. And now let's jump on the second part of this one. One thing about this plugin I really love when I'm working with neovim or with keys.envim. This plugin is quite amazing. And when you try to look on the website, this is the website from Org, he's like OG of neovim plugins. And the good thing about this plugin, whenever you try something, and it will suggest what is next key binding. So you don't need to remember all the things, but on the UI, you're gonna see that from the keyboard. And it's quite easy to do. And when you get used to this one, even the new cosplay or new setup, it's easy to get what you want. Let's start a look on what I have on my terminal. This is my new Vim, and whenever I press play, you see the UI suggests, okay, I has some key binding here like A for I, B for buffer, and if I want something I press B, it will see another suggestion. And because this one, I can easily to find something. If I want to skip, I have the key to escape to cloud or press by to up, so I can go back one level. So with this play again, if I want to find something like app, this will be the file and some suggestion here. Like I can even define beep per level. Like Apple, this is a plugin. So I press H one more time. It will say, okay, this is a list of things like submenu. Well, that's I can okay, this is a file often working on. Press this, go to the color scheme. And the good thing about this one is though you don't need to remember all the keybidding, it's by on the UI. And the time you press something, it will still get a next action for you. On an option like I can have a search for something, and I even though like don't need to remember everything, I can just flow along on the UI and pick what I want. And next action, I'm gonna show you guys all about their attention, give you a similar advice, similar uses on this course. It's called vscode-which-key, and this attention they quite stable for me when I try this one. And they had one documentation. You can choose there are two options can install on your. The first one, if you had vscode vim, so you can copy the binding, or you can use one like bundle all together. Vscode vim and vscode with key become vspace code, and this is a setting. Another case, if you don't use that plugin and you still want to use this similar UI, similar feature from wiki, and this is today's topic. I'm gonna use this case. I don't use this one. I use neovim, so it's not on this topic. So I can show you step by step how I can set up this one. In Sky, you insert in this by code here. So you see this one. This is a website. You when I refresh this one, so this is UI, and this is Whiskey UI. So you can use basically your keyboard, and you don't need to say goodbye to the mouse. Basis you can use anything on your keyboard to select a file, open the file, navigate between the file, or you can between the window easily. So everything here just start with your space. So this is what they call vspace code. And you don't need to remember because the UI will organize to and when you do something and it will suggest for you. And on this website, they had two sessions. So the session about vehicle space, vspace code attention. I don't want to go this one, but the one we want to look further is with the wiki. And then you can find the uses. That's the one I just saw. And then another HR. So something like a different use case, but you want to do something further, like how you can display menus items, like sorting, how you do that one. Or you can buy the sort go to submenu. So they have something like that one. Or you can custom UI. This is the thing I just mentioned on my Viscose Pro. So you're gonna go there, you're gonna see similar. I had this similar setting on mine, so I had this UI, but I don't copy all thing. I just want something I want. I get the first one on my Viscose Pro, and you can see another like how you can override the binding and how they reference to all the IP uses from this attention. And this is amazing. And I would get you to take a try and install that on your computer. All right, for today's demo, I'm gonna use my setup here from vscode Lite Pro. And if you don't want for long, you can go to here and find out all the thing you want. First, the thing you want is data link to the attention. You can see all the thing. Secondly, here, if you search wiki binding, and you can find right away the setting I put here, how you can override the default, how you can set up like this is the what I want. So I don't go over, but the use is quite simple. So you get a key to the space, and you can say that a name of the binding, the name. And when it's pressed, what action is gonna call from this call so that the action. So which means when it's press space, it will show the commands menu. And similarly, if you have one group, for example, this case here, I press B. This is not a command, it's a binding, which means you have some child of that. So it has B, then I had BD, which means for cloud active. So that delete. So I just remember, okay, BD will delete, or BO just cloud all the editor. So this is why I'm remember my K binding. And you can find all the thing here from the website. If you go to the website of vscode-which-key, and from the website here, this is the file package.json file. If you look for which-key.bindings, so this one only one on this file, and they list all the default behavior. So you can choose and just pick what you want. So this is the case you wanna do it from scratch, or you maybe just override like remove something, move around something, depending on what you want. And this is other thing I just copy and just move, and something I don't want I just remove from the UI, so to make it look cleaner. All right, this is the what I want to show you guys before I go into detail about how I can do the K binding on the left here and how I set up on the right with the setting. I want to show how I can use this one without the keyboard to go to attention and install with key. So the first thing, this is the what with key UI. So on my vehicle setting, and from here I can, for example, if I don't remember I want different color scheme, I can use question mark and it says colors. Okay, now I can use UC select color scheme, or I can press enter right now and can choose different color like purple too. And now if I want to install attention, what we want with key attention, this is command space. So this is my setup to show. Then I now go to UI, put it mean view, and I had a few options here. So now this is show attention, press S. Now it's go to here, I can search with key, press enter. Now you're gonna see, oh, I reinstalled this one. So it's from this bytecode, so you can install this one. And that's it. And the next thing I want to show is about how I set up the setting. So the first one is I use AB slices to custom the height of the wiki. When I try this one, it's you 100% of view height. So this is the first thing I customize. And the second one is with K binding, dot binding. So from here, I first thing I want to sort by alphabetically. Secondly, I go to the website from Viscon Spy and I just override what I want. I don't want to have all the options. I just choose what I often use. And I can easily do this one, like this is the uses. And for example, now if you look at this one, I define spy as, so this is a search for something, or spy UI, or spy T, which means to go, U for UI, or H for search, D for this Git, F for files. Like this is the way is the memorize the behavior. And now if I look for to go, so I see okay, I can to go the file, to go something. Now what if I want to go, for example, to go the key records now? If I want that one, how I can do this one? The one is easily I just search for to go on this one. So I can see the UI here. I have to go output. So I can want to go something like C. So this is under the binding for to go. I can copy this one, and thinking about the record screencast, I can use S or R. Like for example, I want to use this, copy this one, and now if I change the K from C to R to record, so I can say to go screencast. Okay, record. For example, this one. So this command. So what is the command I want to try? How I know this one? If you look on the left here, and this is on the left. So I have this record screencast. So this is a command I want to use. So I can just use this one. So I copy this one, and then I can go to the right. And now on the right, I just change the command. So this is the line. I buy this one. This will be workbench action to go screencast. Okay, this one. So when I save this file, if I trigger again, command space T, now we can see the R here. So I can press R. Now if I type in something, you don't see anything. If I want trigger again, I just space to go record. So now I can enable this one. And even though if I don't want to remember the key I define, I just space and then I question mark and I say record screencast. Type in something like screencast. So now it says under the toggle. So I can press this one easily. So that's why I can use this one without use the keyboard. Or that is how you can add a new one. How about you can navigate between the file or from file to terminal? So I can use that one similar. By I can start okay. Oh, this is terminal here. This is terminal. So I can use arrow key to navigate to what I want. So I can use South terminal. So I can find this one and I can collapse this one. And if I want us like the key map for terminal is similar, you can go to the similar you can see okay that the UI you can add to the UI. Again, you can find the terminal. So can similarly I can go to key that U. Okay, this UI. So what I want, okay, I want another one that the T terminal, right? So I can copy one copy here, and then you can say so terminal, and you can find the terminal because you already have this on this one. You can search for the key for that would be yes. So this is already some terminal here, but the thinking about this one, if you already have that key binding, you should crop on one play instead of multiple play. So if I do this one, I just remove this default here. I move this command here to the this here where I can define T and then by this one. So now I have space U, so that's the UI. So I can have okay. Now I need to find this so attention to UI. Yes, now I have T the terminal. So I can press T to go to terminal. So that's easy to do. And one important about this one, you can choose the key to trigger which key depending on your style. And mine is I use command space. So the way I do it, I use right cast and this is a raycast. So it's set up spotlight. I disable spotlight, and then you can follow this reference. If you use raycast, it can help you to how to disable spotlight. So it has two things: command space, and that's you force. Now to see option space and command space. So it has two things you can use. So if you define one another, then one user for record attention, one for write-cast. So that's that pretty much thing you need to do. No conflicts at all. And I would suggest you don't use spy because maybe another attention give you conflicts. So that's why I do this way. All right. If you had anything about this setup or any suggestion, let me know. Thank you, everyone. If you have any feedback or any comment on this kind of content, let me know in the bottom. Or you have any suggestion or some attention I want to learn more, let me know. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.